Hey, hi Miss. I'm Eugene, one of your students in PR Principal. So this video is for the PR Principal Assignment 3, the individual video. Okay. So for the CSR campaign that we chose, right? We chose the niche waterful sharing campaign. Okay. So the part that I did is the application of PR theories, and I chose one of the theories, which is social exchange theories. Okay. So before talking more about what the theory is about, we need to know like how did Laneige Malaysia develop their waterful sharing campaign. So at first, at 2014, they decided to raise this awareness about clean water for rural areas and to help those people to get more clean water by raising funds. And throughout the development of the campaign, they started to involve the publics, their customers, by telling their customers as long as they buy one of their products, then 10 ringgit of the profit of this product will be given to the rural areas. And then slowly they also started to change their focus, not only towards the rural areas, but also the kids of rural areas. And this year they focus in empowering women in these rural villages. Okay, so yeah, so actually during the 24th June until the 30th June of 2019, actually Laneige Malaysia organized a Laneige Water Bank Avenue at Pavilion KL. So basically it's their event roadshow, and they even set up a specific booth for them to promote the waterful sharing campaign. Yeah, and in this campaign and their roadshow combined, they actually included two ways to help raise awareness in this CSR campaign. So the first way is to let the public to take photo or video about this movement and then upload it to Instagram and then hashtag waterful sharing campaign. And then the second way is whenever any customer purchase their water bank cream, their customer will be able to contribute towards the rural villages for 10 ringgit per cream. Okay, so back to the theory. So what is social exchange theory? Well, social exchange theory suggests that whenever an individual makes their decision, right, they mix it by weighing, I would say balancing between their costs and rewards, and then they make their decisions. So, and the decision is mostly like the exchange of resource. So this, so the resource mentioned, right, is not only about monetary item, material goods or services, but also like social values, acceptance, validation. Yeah. So for example, let's say if I want to do a survey, so if I just plainly ask someone to do a survey, they might feel that it's tedious and they don't want to fill in the survey. But then let's say today, if I make the options of my survey more simpler, instead of having open-end questions, I give them like options to choose. And then furthermore, let's say I give them some rewards. They can get a Snicker bar for filling in this survey, and even explain to them how this survey contributes towards the society. For example, if they fill in this survey, they can help contribute into AIDS research. Then as the rewards are increased and the costs are decreased, people are more willingly to help involve in filling in the survey. So the same actually applies back to this waterful sharing campaign also. So how does it apply? So as mentioned, the first way, actually the cost is reduced in the first way because they actually design specific paper boards that even have captions like water is very important, like how important it is, and then how people can benefit from clean water. So whenever people post pictures about this campaign to raise the awareness, they don't need to explain much because it's already explained throughout the pictures and the paper boards. And then a way that they are rewarded is whenever they do the hashtag waterful sharing campaign, their own post will also be featured on Laneige Waterful Sharing Campaign's website also. Okay, so this is the first way that how they increase the reward and decrease the cost to involve the public in raising this awareness. So the second method is throughout the water bank cream, whenever their customer purchase one, then they'll contribute 10 ringgit towards the rural villages. So this year they are actually very smart. They know that their target audience are mostly women. So this year they actually position their own campaign into not only helping the rural villages, but actually empowering women in these rural villages. So as their customer pool are mostly women, so they can strongly resonate and relate towards the situation there, and it actually convinced them to buy this cream even more, buy their product even more, because whenever they purchase this product, they know that they are contributing in helping women, and they actually like feel better, something like that. Yeah. So actually throughout this campaign, we can see that Laneige Malaysia has successfully increased the involvement of public throughout this CSR campaign, and yeah, it actually raised a lot of awareness. So that's all for my part. Thank you.